Dear students, in this section we will see asynchronous stateful scheme. So asynchronous means AS. So this AS scheme uses the asynchronous invalidation the report, or we can call it as a callbacks, to maintain the cache consistency. This invalidation reports are sent to mobile host when some data is changed. For each mobile client or each host, a home location cache, that is HLC, is maintained in the home agent. This home agent is similar to the concept of HA in the mobile IP, because all the messages between the mobile client and the server is passed through this HA. The difference is that the HA here in AS scheme is used to assist in cache consistency maintenance, whereas HA home agent in the mobile IP is used for the location management and routing. So here the assumption is the application program runs on mobile host as a client process and communicate with the data server. This is the data server through the messages. So client sends an uplink request. It is called as the, when client sends the request, it is called as the uplink request for the data it needs to the data server, and the server responds by sending the requested data on the downlink. So in order to minimize the number of uplink requests, the client caches some data in the local memory. In order to reduce this, because this uplink required the certain bandwidth, so to reduce this bandwidth requirement, some of the data is cached into the client side. The objective of this scheme is to minimize the overhead of mobile hosts to validate their cache on reconnection, to allow stateless servers, and to minimize the bandwidth requirement. These objectives are achieved by buffering the invalidation messages in the mobile host HLC by HA. So the assumption in AS schemes are: whenever the data server updates any data item, an invalidation message is sent out to all the HA, and this HA will forward that messages to the particular mobile host. Or when the mobile host is roaming, it gets the invalidation message if it is not disconnected. Second is, no message is lost due to communication failure or otherwise in the wired network. Third is, a mobile host can detect whether or not it is connected to the network. Whenever the mobile host is disconnected, it suspends the answering any query from the applications. And a mobile host informs its HA before it stores any data item in its local cache. So home agent forward this invalidation message to the relevant mobile host. Okay, so this is about the synchronous stateful scheme. So thank you so much.